Some people are saying that Bloktopia will reach $1, but some are getting scared of its recent depletion. The duality in the crypto atmosphere is really concerning. Now that the Blok coin supply has been depleted by 80%, some are suspecting a pump-and-dump scheme. But what's the truth? Can Blok make it to $1 in the next bullrun? To know everything about it, you have to watch the video till the very end. Hello and welcome to our channel. Now before we start, subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Having said that, let's begin. With knowledge and interactive experiences in one area, Bloktopia became a metaverse project that seeks to be an educational and entertaining destination for all levels of crypto expertise. Bloktopia takes advantage of the technology to produce spectacular visuals and user experiences since it is built on top of the Polygon network and driven by the cross-platform Unity game engine. Bloktopia's metaverse platform is envisioned as a 21-story, decentralized VR skyscraper. The number 21 was used intentionally to represent the 21 million bitcoins that Satoshi Nakamoto coded into the system when he created it. Bloktopia users may participate in an immersive world in accordance with the project's four main pillars: study, earn, play, and create by offering a VR experience for the community of Bloktopians. The native token of Bloktopia is called Blok. Users may purchase items and gain admission to unique events in the Bloktopia metaverse using this utility token. Bloktopia's virtual real estate is only leased or purchased using Blok, making Blok tokens valuable and essential for the ecosystem's survival. It may be used, for instance, to upgrade real estate space or buy things from the Bloktopia marketplace. The Polygon network, a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, and the BNB chain serve as the foundation for the ERC20 token block. Blok was introduced in October 2021 and has 200 billion Blok maximum emission. The total quantity of Blok tokens from the initial real estate transactions is reduced by publicly burning every single one of them. Through decentralized exchanges, Bloktopians may purchase and trade Blok. On several exchanges, including OKX, KuCoin, Gate.io, and QuickSwap, you can buy and trade Blok. More than a month has passed since the token saw redness, and it has been depleting since then. Not just from a price action perspective, but also from a volume one. It appears to be reaching its RSI at 36.48. Investors appear to have been compelled to sell off their Blok tokens as a result of the declining performance and falling volumes. As the momentum for the Blok coin continues to decrease within the gloomy market, the MACD indicator also appears to support the declining interest. There isn't enough momentum in the token at the present, as seen by the signal line's tenuous grip above the MACD line. More than 80% of Bloktopia's supply has been depleted as of now. Many crypto enthusiasts think that there may be a pump-and-dump action behind this coin. According to a pump-and-dump scheme, the price of the coin is lower for the buyer the earlier he purchases it. As more individuals purchase the currency, the price gradually starts to rise. Users begin to believe the speculator statements more and more as the price starts to rise. They are then compelled to purchase additional coins in order to maximize their gains as a result. In truth, there are several stages to this inflation, which we will discuss in a moment. But first, you should be aware of what the organizers do when the price of the currency reaches an all-time high. The organizers sell the coins they purchase after determining that the coin's valuation had reached the level they had hoped it would, making a sizable profit. As a result, the coin's value gradually starts to decline as they do this. As soon as the price of the coin begins to decline, the other investors who had previously purchased it start selling their coins as well. In certain instances, the coin's value declines below its initial value, costing investors a significant amount of money and causing them to lose faith in organizations that promise instant money-making opportunities using cryptocurrencies. Let's now quickly examine the driving force behind the pump-and-dump strategy. There are many penny stocks available that, in the opinion of both investors and the industry, have little to no value. A couple of cryptocurrency points might also be compared to penny stocks because they both have small market capitalizations. As a result, when they are inflated artificially utilizing quick and clever methods, the perpetrators of such scams stand to gain significantly. Everyone wants to stay on top of trends and lucrative chances, so when they see any enticing social media posts or cosigns promising sure and rapid money if they invest in a certain coin, many investors will pour their money into it. As a result, when investors invest their money, the item that was before worthless becomes valuable, increasing both its price and the total number of investors. As a result, after it has reached a significant high, investors begin to sell the shares they purchase or the inflated asset, in this case, a cryptocurrency coin. Therefore, After the dumping process is through, the coin's price returns to its previous level or may even fall below it. The pump stage is the first phase of such a scheme, and it provides the organizers with a fantastic opportunity to purchase the currency and profit from the eventual surge. However, one thing that the organizers must be very careful about is not to become overly excited and hyped up by purchasing excessive quantities of the coin. As a result, if they purchase a significant portion of the coin before the pump, they risk losing the interest of the group's investors and would thereafter suffer losses similar to those experienced by an individual investor. The organizers must also take care to avoid pre-pumping if there is a high enough number of exchanges to prevent a price increase. Consequently, once the organizer purchases the coin, the member who has paid receives information about or a price estimate for the currency. The paying member then shares this information with the other group members. When non-group members see the unexpected increase, they occasionally opt to invest in the coin and become a part of the pumping process. If you're asking whether the PND plan has any negative effects, the answer is yes. Smaller investors who are novices to investing are frequently taken advantage of when such a strategy is implemented. They suffer setbacks while the organizers are given the benefit of enormous profits. Investors lose faith in such scams, especially those who suffer losses. This also causes a lot of investors to lose trust in the cryptocurrency, which has detrimental long-term effects on the overall coin. The price increases for chain coins in 2017, the eCoin cryptocurrency trading pattern scheme in 2018, and the whale pump telegram channel scheme are a few excellent instances of such PND schemes. Returning to the subject of Bloktopia, because of the price decline, everyone has been speculating that Bloktopia is being dumped. Bloktopia's price formerly stood at $0.00777,461. Over the past several months, it has fallen by a significant 95%, which the real mystery is what caused this reduction. The current price is $0.003029. You must be aware that the land sale for Bloktopia just went live, and as you're all aware, half of the currency tokens have been burned and the other half have been locked away. Burned coins produce a drop in coin supply, which ordinarily would have resulted in a pump, but in Bloktopia's instance, it resulted in a dump. This is due to the fact that early investors who purchased tokens through an IDO are currently profiting by around 30 times their initial investment. Additionally, the market has been performing poorly. Possibly any activity related to Bitcoin will help to somewhat improve Bloktopia's performance. Bloktopia is trying to play it safe and is waiting for Bitcoin to do well before attempting to dump, but Bloktopia will be performing much better once it begins making its major announcements. So, if you're wondering whether Bloktopia can reach $1 threshold, the answer is yes, just a little while more before it can reach that position. It's also crucial to remember that due to its enormous market cap, which is estimated to be worth $64.27 million, attaining this milestone is still feasible. Consequently, it is feasible to multiply by 10 times the current number. Better and more significant agreements with Bloktopia 2 may boost the cost to $1. This would be made feasible by Metaverse generating a lot of buzz, either via updates to its features or simply by new initiatives it has in store for its consumers. It's also crucial to keep in mind that Bloktopia is still very young in the market, but it'll develop over time and has a real chance of passing the $1 threshold. The crypto community has already taken notice of Bloktopia Metaverse. The worldwide VR, AR, and game businesses are steadily transitioning to the next generation of gaming technologies, and Bloktopia is a solid cryptocurrency project that wants to be a fierce contender in these areas. The community has already seen what notable metaverse initiatives like Decentraland and the Sandbox can provide. So why should you buy into Bloktopia? Without a doubt, Bloktopia's innovative concept and the breadth of new technologies it employs are amazing. And we must mention that when investing in an enterprise, remember to weigh the risks and the rewards. That's it for the day, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such exciting content. See you in the next video.